Lightning lovers, this is the Nuuk E-Line Black Duo. This is an amazing product. It's made for you to keep you safe during night. This product is super easy to mount. You just replace your license plate holder and all of a sudden you get a great light on your vehicle that keeps you safe during night. It is 2 LED bars combined together with reference number 20 each, so it's perfectly road legal for all cars in the European nation. It's the standard size of the license plate holder. If you are, for example, from Austria, Denmark or Finland, you can use our Duo DK version, which is covering your license plate. This is a click-in, you slide in your license plate, you install it, you just change out your, let's say, normal license plate holder. Then you get a product that produces over 8,300 extra lumen. It gives you 1 lux in over 440 meters. This is amazing because it gives you extra time to react on the wilderness or other dangerous things coming up on the dark roads. Don't miss out on this product because it will keep you safe during night and it follows our motto: feel the passion for every driver, every day.